Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling and Alice 啊。其实从好几年我们教这个客家话然后呢，一直到现在我只学会某一个这个身体的部分，就是手。Su, 对 ，That's all I learned from Alice as far as body parts. How to say hand, and that's su. 其他的那个身体的部分啊、五官啊，什么都没有教到哎。
还有
哦 ，This is so basic, you know. I remember when we started this segment, I learned about how to say hand in Hakka. It's su, but other than that, I have no idea on how to talk about other body parts, you know. So today, let's focus on facial parts. 五官。
好啊。
Let's start off with the face. 脸怎么说？面要吃面了，
是一样的发音啊，
是吗？对不对？哦，面 ，OK. It sounds like noodles, and it's the same pronunciation, but it also means your face. 脸教完了，就是要来教眼睛 ，OK. 木竹。
那海陆腔？
海陆腔好。
木竹。
Actually, different dialects usually it's just a little twist in pronunciation. 其实只是一点点的差别而已了啊。好，眼睛教完了，就是要这个耳朵好了。逆拱 Okay, that's the ears, all right? Sounds kind of different right there. How about 嘴巴？嘴 Okay, that's the mouth. Finally, the nose, 鼻子。
屁股。
怎么感觉好像你要讲另外一个部位啊？好像是屁股哦。
没有啦。
那屁股怎么说呢？
斯文。
啊，真的吗？斯文那是屁股。OK，所以屁股
对
是鼻子。OK，it sounds like the butt, but it's actually your nose. 不管是男生女生，我觉得眼睛很重要。那尤其是女生啊，眼睛很漂亮，我一定要赞美她。就好比 Alice 啊，眼睛真的很漂亮，所以我要说，你的眼睛很美怎么说？
给目珠。
给目珠 That means your eyes.
董墙
are beautiful. So let's review these terms. Your face, 脸。面 yeah, just like noodles. 眼睛 eyes.
目
珠就是木珠如果这样子写出来的话。And then your ears 耳朵。逆拱 And then your mouth 嘴巴。嘴 OK 这听得很清楚。再来呢，不是屁股，它还是鼻子 Your nose 屁拱然后屁股是斯文 Don't get those two confused, alright? Because your nose doesn't look like your butt. Alright, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.